Hi, my name is Carley Hines, and today I'm going to be talking about genetic disorders in the human genome. So in today's world of science, we've made many advancements in all spectrums of the field, from information that we've obtained, information we hope to gather, and ways that we've utilized the information that we've gathered. So more specifically, I'm referring to the health system as well as our biological makeup. So before we can talk about genetic disorders, we need to talk about what affects in our body. So in our body, we have billions and billions of cells, and within those cells, we have chromosomes and base pairs. So the base pairs, what they do is they link up in specific sequences, giving us our traits and our basic functions. And what those do are they send off different messages to our proteins, carrying out basic functions. So according to the human genome, whenever a genetic disorder occurs, it changes the person's DNA. These mutations can occur during multiple different things, like DNA replication. So whether that's when a body is forming, when new life is being created, or whenever our body is just doing basic replication throughout our day-to-day life. The changes affect the bases in our DNA. I'll get to that a little bit later. But so this is just a bigger representation of our DNA. So these are our nucleobases. These are the ones that pair up, and you can see them pairing up. But they connect in specific sequences. And even though we have billions and billions of them, when there's one mutation within our base pairs, it throws off the whole function of our body, whether that's you have a different eye color or the way the body functions in general. So these can be broken up between 3 different groups, one of those being single gene mutations. So as you can see here, they're often simple and predictable with inheritance patterns. So they can be dominant, recessive, or X-linked, and you can kind of see an example of how there's different carriers within this pedigree and who obtains the genetic disorder. So dominant is you're most likely going to get it, recessive is there's a chance, and X-linked is when it only affects one sex. One of those is being hemophilia. So hemophilia, it's a single gene disorder, and it's X-linked, meaning it only affects males. So the impact of this gene being affected, which is your factor 8 and your factor 9, is proteins cannot clot blood properly. So this results in spontaneous bleeding and unnatural bleeding. The next one is chromosome disorders. This is when the structure of the DNA is changed or altered according to global genes. This is half of the spontaneous abortions are due to chromosome abnormalities, and this is mostly linked with Down syndrome on people with the chromosomal disorder. So the CDC tells us that the third one is the multifactorial disorder. So this is when multiple genes are affected or changed, and then this can be due to environmental lifestyles or day-to-day habits or even environmental. So a common one, maybe with this one, is cancer. So this is when one of the genes is mutated and it continues to multiply throughout the body and it destroys the tissues throughout the body. The impact is usually pretty substantial to the body. And then this one in particular in the picture was due to exposure to radiation. So again, just to reiterate everything that we went over, even though we have billions and billions of these DNA strands, just a few of these base pairs or even just one hiccup within the genes can cause a big mutation within the body and can result in many other genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis or kidney abnormalities. And thank you guys for coming.